Green tea mask for skin whitening and fast removal of dark spots. We will need green tea leaves. Green tea contributes to skin whitening due to the presence of antioxidants, which benefits skin complexion. If you don't have green tea leaves, you can use green tea bag. Please subscribe to my channel. One tablespoon of green tea leaves. Grind it. After grinding, please press the like button. 1 tablespoon of gram flour bison. A pinch of wild turmeric. Mix dry ingredients. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons milk. Mix it very well. When green tea mixes with gram flour, it is very beneficial for removing dark spots and pigmentation. Mix it very well and make it lump-free. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. One teaspoon of olive oil. Mix all the ingredients very well. After mixing, we have cream-like texture. How to use: wash your face and apply your face, neck and hands and any dark part of your body. Massage for few minutes for good results. If you like the video, please like, comment and share with your family and friends. Leave it 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, wet your hand and gently massage your face and remove your face mask. Then wash your face with cold water. You can use this face mask 3 times in a week. Apply any moisturizer. Thanks for watching.